days, morning sun on every face. Dusk kicked up as we found our way. The trail ahead was calling today. Through the switchbacks, steady and strong, higher and higher the climb rolled on, till the trees gave way to the open blue, and Moyie's great summit came into view. From the base to the sky, we climbed so high, with Moyie Lake shining like a jewel down by. The Steeples stood proud on the far-off line. East Kootenay, beauty forever mine. From the base to the sky, hearts open wide on a perfectly cool day, with friends by our side. Cameras clicked and the drone took flight. Laughter echoed on the mountain height. Then we rolled on down through the valley floor, engines humming like they'd done before. Up another slope where the ridges break, till we found a piece of cool Jake Lake. Lunch by the water, breeze so kind. Time stood still, left the world behind. From the base to the sky, we climbed so high, with Moyie Lake shining like a jewel down by. The Steeples stood proud on the far-off line. East Kootenay, beauty forever mine. From the base to the sky, hearts open wide on a particularly cool day, with friends by our side. It was hard to leave that gentle shore, but the trail kept calling, offering more. Twisting past through the fading light, another mountain memory carved tonight. From the base to the sky, we climbed so high, through the valleys and peaks where the wild winds fly. The mountains will call and will answer each time. East Kootenay, riding forever in a run. From the base to the sky, with friends by our side.